The best is yet to come. Are you serious? Hey, what do you hear? What do you say? My Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Google+, your sister's ass, the Pony Express. A very, very, very ticked off Vic here. You know what ticks me off? The fact that most of my life is behind me now. Yeah, that's right. Let me explain. I ain't going uphill anymore. I'm rolling down it like a fucking bowling ball with no pins in sight. Fast, no brakes, no seatbelt, just me, gravity, and a prayer. When you're a kid, they tell you, the world is your oyster. Really? Really? Where's my oyster now, huh? You know what I got? High cholesterol from eating too many oysters. That's what I got. When you're young, everything's in front of you. College, careers, sex. Now, the only thing in front of me is a fucking colonoscopy. And that ain't optional, folks. You hit a certain age, the doctors get inside your business like the FBI. Bend over, Vic. Oh, yeah, sure, Doc. Don't buy me dinner first or anything, you prick. When I was 20, people would say, Vic, the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Are you serious? The best now is finding a parking spot close to the supermarket door so I don't blow out a hip. That's the best. I used to party till 4 in the morning. Now I take a nap at 4 in the afternoon and wake up with a fucking neck injury. And let me tell you, hangovers, when I was young, I drink a case of beer, wake up fresh as a daisy. Now, I drink one beer, one. The next morning, I'm on the couch like I got hit by a fucking dump truck. Sneeze too hard, I need physical therapy. And these birthdays, oh, don't get me started. When you're a kid, birthdays are magic, right? Cake, balloons, gifts, surprises. Now, I get a card that says, don't worry, 64 is the new 44. Really? Tell that to my knees. My knees are 109 and they're both on strike. I walk into a room and every joint sounds like a bowl of Rice Krispies. Snap, crackle, pop. And what's with the TV commercials? When you're young, commercials are fun. Cars, vacations, toys. Now, every commercial is about life insurance, reverse mortgages, erectile dysfunction, and some pill that gives you 47 fucking side effects. Ask your doctor if this is right for you. Hey, doc, got a pill that makes me 20 again? No? Then shut the fuck up. And these ED commercials, oh yeah, the guy's on a beach holding hands, smiling. No, that ain't real life. Real life is me sitting on the couch watching Law and Order, trying to find my glasses that are already on my fucking head. That's reality. And let's talk energy. I used to have energy. I go out all night, get 2 hours of sleep, go to work, no problem. Now, I take out the garbage, I need a fucking nap. I tie my shoes, I need to hydrate. I mowed the lawn, call 911, this guy's going down. And what the hell happened to time? When I was a kid, summers lasted forever. Now I blink, it's Christmas again. I'm still paying off last Christmas. I used to be excited for Friday night. Now Friday night comes, and I'm like, thank God I can go to bed at 9:30 without judgment. But you know what? Yeah. Most of my life is behind me, and that's okay. I could deal with that, because you know what's ahead of me? Embarrassing my kids, yelling at clouds and saying, whatever the fuck I want, because I earned it. When most of my life is behind me, that's what ticks me off.